Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming permissions and preventing costs. Make sure you have owner or the specific project letter role, and disable billing so charges stop. Once done, open the Google Cloud Console, use the project picker to select the target project, and pause or stop running services like Compute Engine and Kubernetes clusters. This protects data and avoids resource conflicts. Make sure to note project ID and any linked APIs. You'll need those details for the deletion confirmation step that follows. Next, go to IAM and Admin and open the project settings or dashboard where the shutdown control lives. Once there, click the Shutdown or Delete option. The console will show irreversible effects, so read the warnings. You'll be prompted to type the exact project ID to confirm. This prevents accidental deletions. Enter it precisely, then submit. The console queues the project for deletion, and resources begin a staged removal process. Make sure to export any logs or data you need before finalizing. Finish by monitoring the deletion status in the console. Deletion can be immediate or take days depending on resources. If billing still shows the project attached, go to Billing and remove the project from the billing account. Once deleted, you cannot recover the project after the retention period, so confirm exports beforehand. If the deletion stalls, check activity logs to find which resource or permission blocks it. Then fix by removing that resource or granting missing IAM rights. That log is your key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.